Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other legal concerns that may be impacting your household and you have questions about some of that. But for this week, this is actually a part two. I wanted to just briefly come back on here and follow up on the video regarding the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network beneficial ownership information filing requirement based on the Corporate Transparency Act. So as a follow-up, I did submit my beneficial owner information for my law office. And I promise you, it took me 11 minutes because as an attorney, I did read every single thing. And as not your attorney, I would still advise you to read every single thing on the screen. And you can refer back to my reading the fine print or the small print in one of my previous Wednesday Wisdom videos. But in essence, it was a very short, straightforward process. And because my business existed before January 1st, 2024, there was a whole section that I did not have to complete. So keep that in mind for those of you who have business entities that you created before the first of this year. And even with that, the process was, you didn't really have to enter a whole lot. And so I just wanted to make sure, again, to remind all of you business owners or beneficial owners that you need to submit this information within certain time frames. And again, refer back to last week's Wednesday Wisdom video for more specifics on that. I'm sorry I'm rushing. I'm actually about to start a meeting. But you want to make sure that you have a file on hand to submit or to upload, like a picture of your driver's license or passport to prove you are who you are as the beneficial owner. And the other thing is that I thought was interesting, there is an option to download a PDF form and fill that out at your leisure. You know, you can save as you go and then submit it later, or you can just fill out the online form then and there. And either way, you'll have a confirmation that you can print out or download and save of your submission. So go ahead and get that taken care of. Take care of your business. I'm all about making sure you know what business it is you need to take care of and then to jump on it. So with that said, that's all I have for today. As always, I thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Okay, I forgot to add this. Here is the website down below, and I'll put it in the comments for submitting that beneficial owner information for your business or company entity. All right. Take care.